Today I'm going to be restoring my 1984 ATC250r. I saved this thing from the junkyard, I blaster swapped it, and it ended up being the most fun vehicle I probably ever had. It's the coldest day of the year. I don't know why I chose the coldest day of the year, but we're going to go ahead and make this thing nice, get it sandblasted, powder coated. They say you can't polish a turd, but I beg to differ. I was a little bit surprised that the 40-year-old rubber bushings were all still pretty much in good shape.
Next off, we got to replace these gas tank struts or mounts.
For all the threaded holes, I just built up weld around them and drilled them up and tap them to the next size. I wanted to seal up the holes on this frame, so I just added 2 gussets on each side. So guys, I released new trike merch for those of you that love three-wheelers. It's a good way of supporting the channel and helping me fund future builds. It's my second line of legendary merch, so guys, it'll be down in the description below. So my buddy Striker, the guy with the red Miata I met at the drag strip, he actually said it's cool I come over and use his sandblaster, which is awesome, and he'd be willing to do powder coating for me in the future. Dude, this is insanely powerful. Like, yeah, we got a little bit more right here on the around the tab. Really hard areas to just clean up. The sandblasting revealed some pretty bad pitting, so I'm just gonna slap a tube over this and weld it up. Something about this color just, it kind of tastes delicious just looking at it. Anyways, before I reveal the final color, I gotta take a quick break to talk about today's sponsor, Raycon. Raycon are the perfect everyday earbuds with adjustable gel tips. They don't fall out of your ear, no matter if you sweat, no matter if you run. They have 3 different sound modes, an 8-hour playtime, and a 32-hour battery life. I've used Raycon earbuds in the past, and I've got to say they've really helped me minimize my distractions moving forward with their passive noise isolation technology. I use them in the gym, I listen to podcasts, and I use them while I work, and I've got to say they're an amazing earbud. Couple times I have them fall out and fall in puddles of water, and they're perfectly fine. Raycons feature quality audio for half the price of the leading brands. And with thousands of 5-star reviews and happy users, you really can't miss with Raycon. If you're wanting a more productive 2024 to really cut out your distractions and focus on your work, Raycons might be the perfect solution for you guys. So click the link in the description box below or go to buyraycon.com/Vasily to get 15% off your first Raycon purchase plus free shipping. So again, that'll be the first link in the description. Check it out if you want to support the channel, but let's go ahead and get back to the video. So I stole the pegs off the Raptor 700. I had to modify them a little bit, but I think they are the perfect fit for this trike. I used some of this spray foam to fill in the holes in the foam. Now, honestly, this was pretty hard. I could build race cars, but I definitely can't even upholster a seat. What I should have done is use spray-on adhesive to really help it out, but I only learned that after. Alright guys, the trike turned out amazing. Still a couple little things I want to do, like add a skid plate, finish the exhaust system. But the crazy thing is my welder actually broke from the cold. So we're going to get that finished in the next episode, and comment down below where you guys want me to take this thing off-roading to give it some proper justice, and maybe I'll get some of my other builds going too. Huge shout out again to CA Technologies. They did all the sandblasting powder coating the same day, which is unheard of. So yeah, huge thanks to them. Check out their website. They have a crap ton of side-by-side and ATV upgrades. You'll definitely see me doing more work with them in the future. They're going to start a YouTube channel. I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, Varla sent me their Eagle 1 Pro scooter, and I've got to say this has completely changed my expectations on electric scooters. Now this is a dual motor scooter capable of almost 45 miles an hour. So yeah, it takes bumps like a champ. I think I actually started my channel with electric scooters back in the day. I had a couple of them that I converted to gasoline engines, so now to see the technology progress throughout the years, I can see the scooter coming in really nice if you live in very congested areas with high traffic. This scooter has actually surprised me on how fast it goes up grades. You know, comparing it to a very cheap electric scooter, this thing completely blew it out of the water. And this thing actually has a max payload capacity of 330 pounds. So if you're a big guy, this scooter could be for you. This could potentially change the way you commute to work, or it could be a fun toy for your kids. But do treat it like a motorcycle and wear knee pads and a helmet. Yeah, put quite a lot of wear and tear on this thing, abuse, over 25 miles. So this thing has a knob right here which really locks the stem down and keeps it from wobbling. It has a safety pin as well. You can fold down the scooter very simply like this, Now, one of my biggest complaints with this thing is that the scooter that goes this fast, it should have a standard steering stabilizer on it, like you see on a lot of other high-end scooters. Another thing also is I would like to see them do away with these super cheap and thin brake rotors that warp very easily. I really hope to see Varla build an even faster scooter, but with an additional steering stabilizer, better brakes, and longer range. But that being said, this scooter blew away my mind on what's possible. You can take this thing pretty much anywhere without getting kicked out. Now, Varla wanted me to do a review, but reviews are boring, so I asked my friends to take this scooter to the mall and film a video there. In honor of Gail Lewis, we're gonna go take over the mall on our electric scooters.
Attention Walmart, this is Gail Lewis, 10-year associate, Morris, Illinois, 844, signing out. Good night.
Bro, this thing ain't a joke.
Try it full speed.
No, we might have to do a lower speed. All right, send it. I'm following you.
Hey, get off those now. Matter of fact, get out of the school. Go.
All right, sliding door required. So this time it's tackle. You down to do this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, we is cruising. So far, so good. Yo, we gotta turn around.
I don't know about y'all, but I ain't never seen this much NPCs before, man.
Turn around. Let's go.
Do we push our luck or what? I'll follow your lead this time.
Dude, this is like the most fun I think I've ever had too. Oh, yo.
Oh nah, he got rough. There he is. Go that way.